Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious recipe. And on today's recipe, we are going to be making this simple and delicious vegetable stir fry noodles. So let's get started with this recipe. So guys, for this recipe, I'm going to be using some cooked maize, green beans, onion, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, some carrots, and one scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm also going to be using 3 noodles. So to start with, I will add in some vegetable oil into my pot, and I will go ahead and start stir frying my veggies. I will add in the onion. I'll go ahead and add in some garlic and ginger puree. And I'll go ahead and add in a teaspoon of thyme. So I'm going to stir fry the onion for about 2 minutes, and I will go ahead and add in my carrots. After stir frying the carrot for about 2 minutes, I will go ahead and add in the yellow, red, and scotch bonnet peppers. I'll add in my green beans. And I will go ahead and add in 2 sachets of the Indomie seasoning. So after adding in my seasoning, I will stir it together to mix it up properly, and I will go ahead and add in my already cooked maize. So guys, do feel free to adjust the veggies to your taste and to what you have. Okay, so I will go ahead and add in my smoked chili powder to give it that nice color, and I will stir it together and set it aside. So right now, into my boiling pot of water, I will add in the 3 packs of noodles. And I will go ahead and add in the remaining 1 sachet of the noodle seasoning. So I will stir it up together and allow it to cook for just 2 to 3 minutes, and I will sieve the water out from the noodles. So guys, right now I will get my stir fried veggies into the fire again, and I will transfer in the sieved noodles into it, and I will give it a nice stir and stir fry it for about 3 minutes so it will mix properly with the stir fried veggies. So guys, thank you very much for watching this recipe, and please don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button, click on the bell icon that goes with it. That way you will never miss any of my uploads, okay? And also to give this video a big thumbs up, as this is going to help the video to get more views, and also other people can enjoy this delicacy, okay? Don't forget to drop me a comment letting me know if you enjoyed watching this recipe and if you did make it in your house. Okay, lovies, thank you very much for watching. Till I see you again on my next recipe, do have a beautiful day. So I just went ahead and garnish it with some nice purple cabbage. You can add any cabbage of your choice. I just love that crunchiness when I'm eating my food. So guys, thank you very much for watching. You can go ahead and enjoy it with some egg or chicken. Okay, bye.